I recommend seeing if you can go through these. Do them, and then check your answers. I'll do them here in the video. If you feel like you got them all, if you click the link right there in the slides, it'll just show you the answers. You don't have to listen to me talk. But if you're getting stuck on any of them, then you can watch the video and I'll go through them all, okay? So, first one, intersection of line AC and line DE. Line AC goes on forever in both directions. Notice I'm putting the arrows in my color, right? And line DE goes on forever in both directions. But where do they overlap? That's the important thing. The double colored is point B. So again, here we have just a point. All right, now I'm going to clear my colors out after each one so that it doesn't get too complicated for you. You can decide how you want to do it, but I recommend doing color. Maybe you redraw the picture for each one if you really need to. Okay, this next one here is union. So what do they make? Combined, right? So I have ray BE, endpoint at B, going on forever in the direction of E. And ray BC, endpoint at B, going on forever in the direction of C. Oh, that looks like they made an angle. So this is angle EBC. And important here that you have B in the center. You could say angle CBE. That would be correct as well. Notice on these, you don't have to write both. You pick one. I'm writing both so that you know that either one of those is the correct answer. Again, on this one, no angle B, since there are like 6 different angle B's in there, right? Okay, all right, we got another union on our next one. Union of ray AC, endpoint at A, going on forever in the direction of C. Ooh, this one's a little bit different. And line BC. So line BC means going on forever in both directions. What do these two create if I join them together, combine them? Well, combined, I see a line, right? You see the line arrow going to the left and the arrow going to the right. This is a line. Now, I could name it line AC, right? Or I could name it line BC. Or I could name it line AB. Or I could put any one of those backwards, CA, CB, BA. Those are all correct answers. You can name it a line using any 2 points. I should probably have said that, right, back when we were talking about it. Back up here, when we were talking about lines, we always use only 2 letters when we name a line. Actually, that's probably here. Always use, whoops. Where'd it go? Use 2 letters to name, right? We always use 2 letters. Same thing for a segment. We always use 2 letters. Two letters to name it, okay? So we wouldn't say line ABC. Just 2 letters, right? Pick any 2 letters in any order, and you got it. Make sure you got the arrows on the ends, though, right? Got to have the arrows to make it a line. All right, getting all those details now that we practiced this. All right, next one then is, again, an intersection. So I have, oh, sorry, no, oops, I'm going ahead. I apologize. The next one, again, is a union. So I have the union of ray BA, going on forever in the direction of A, and ray BE, endpoint at B, going on forever in the direction of E. Okay, again here, I have an angle. I have angle ABE, or angle EBA. As long as you have that B as your vertex in the middle, you're good to go. But again, no angle B on this one. Okay. All right, I was looking at number 5. I apologize. Okay, so number 5 is another intersection. There we go. All right, so this one is segment BE. So endpoint, get rid of this, endpoint at B, endpoint at E, only in the middle. And point A. And remember, intersection. Intersection is where they overlap. Hang on, these don't overlap. They aren't touching at all. So this is what we call the empty set, okay? Don't say no solution. We're not talking about solving anything. It is the set of answers here is empty. And we use that circle with the slash through it, right? This is what we say when we say that there's nothing that overlaps. They don't touch at all. It's called the empty sets, and that's the symbol that you would use. Maybe you've seen it before, okay? All right, last one here again is an intersection. So where are these going to overlap? So my first one is ray BC, endpoint at B, going on forever in the direction of C. Make sure you go past and put your arrow. All right, and then I have ray CB, endpoint at C, going on forever in the direction of B. Okay, now this one is tricky because I'm looking, where do they overlap? What's double colored? What's double colored is this whole part here, right? Yeah, point B has a double color, point C has a double color, but so does this part in between. Now, are either of the arrows double colored? No. The arrow past B is only blue. The arrow past C is only yellow, so that's not double colored. So the only thing that's double colored is this part with the end points at B and C and all the line in between. So this is segment BC, and it has to have a segment, no arrows, because it's not line BC that's double colored.